What's up, everybody? We're in my garage today, and hopefully we are going to be installing my K24 motor that I've been working on for the past few weeks now into the Civic. By the end of this, we will have a motor inside the engine bay, but before that, I need to put the transmission on, I need to install the half shaft and the starter, and then it should be ready to be put in the engine bay. So now that I have the transmission on, I'm going to install the starter. It's just 2 bolts. This weird looking one is a specialty bolt specifically for the starter. This goes in the back. Be careful when putting it on because people usually tend to damage the knock sensor. And this is a brand new knock sensor, so I'm not trying to break that. So I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown on what's going on here. Previous to this car, had a K24 in it, and a valve dropped and destroyed that motor. That's why you see most of the stuff already done in here. Here is a Integra steering rack and subframe and lower control arms. Already got some Hasport mounts in here. My fuel system and everything's still remaining. Wireworks engine harness. AM flex fuel sensor there. Did a brake line tuck a while ago, so that's why it looks the way it does. Here's a quick rundown on the motor. This is a K24A2 out of an 07 TSX. I'm running an RRC intake manifold, car steps throttle body adapter with a OEM RSX throttle body. Some injector dynamics ID1000 since I'm going to be running E85. It has a 50-degree VTC sensor, EP3 idler pulley. Did a Type S oil cooler and a Type S oil pump. You can check those videos out on my channel as well. Unfortunately, I don't have a lift, so I'm going to need to jack this thing up so we can slide the motor underneath. I don't have an engine hoist either, so we're going to do this a little bit of a ghetto way, but it works and it's not that bad. Got this thing up on some really high jack stands. I'm going to grab a piece of wood to put underneath the jack just to give me a little more room. Need a little more clearance to slide this motor underneath, but I should get there soon. So I got the car high enough up so I can slide the motor underneath. Now I just got to lower the rest of this down and position the motor in the right spot and connect these mounts. I got all 3 motor mounts in. I put this thing on the higher setting on the mounts, so give myself a little more oil pan clearance. It's honestly like half an inch or so. It's not that much, but I'll take all that I can get with this car. I previously already cut the hood for any clearance over here with the mounts. So the motor is in now. All the mounts are bolted up. So the rear, that's all I have time for today, guys. Next time I'll put the engine harness on, the fuel system, the intake, the exhaust, the radiator and the hoses. So be sure to subscribe to see that next video.